This is Carlos Galindo with the Immigrant Advocacy Foundation. I'm the president of the organization, and I'm here to talk to you about the power of attorney that we're preparing for parents, undocumented parents of children that are in the United States. With SB 1070 on the cusp of being decided on by the Supreme Court of the state of Arizona, many parents are concerned about what they will do with their children in the event they're apprehended. The purpose of this power of attorney, this POA, is to allow the parents to be able to leave their children with a relative or a friend that's a permanent resident or a legal U.S. citizen that's here legally in the country. This would be a great relief for the parents. God forbid they get picked up as they're driving to the store. If mom and dad are both in the vehicle, they leave their child in charge of the rest of the children. And on the way to the store, they get stopped, apprehended, detained, and incarcerated in a federal detention center. This way, somebody can take charge of their children. It's really important to prepare. Instead of being alarmed and fleeing because of SB 1070, the best thing is to prepare for what may come. And that's what we've tried to talk to the community about. That's what we've tried to tell the community. The best defense is information and preparation. So these powers of attorney that we're doing are completely free. We did 160 of these the day before SB 1070 was due to go in effect back in 2010. Fast forward to 2012, and now the Supreme Court has this case on their docket. Many say it's already been decided on. They're just basically polishing the brief on it. And once they decide, people are going to react. The best thing is to prepare yourself for what may come. If officers start enforcing SB 1070 immediately, well, at least you prepared yourself as to what's going to happen with your children by this power of attorney, by having this power of attorney prepared by a person who's certified through Supreme Court of the state of Arizona in the preparation of legal documents. So the Immigrant Advocacy Foundation is proud to generate these power of attorney documents free of charge for those undocumented immigrants who are parents of minor children that would like to prepare and protect themselves and make sure that in the worst case scenario, their children are left in the hands of capable people that can either transport them to school, can ask for medical attention for the children with this power of attorney, or transport these children to the country of origin of the parents in case they're eventually deported. This would perhaps avoid the involvement of child protective services, or perhaps it might avoid the foster care of these children and eventual permanent adoption. In order to get a free power of attorney for an undocumented parent, please call 602-222-9100, 602-222-9100, or email info@immigrangadvocacy.org. That's info@immigrangadvocacy.org. We appreciate you watching this video.